Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a basic, delicious homemade pizza. We'll cover everything from mixing the dough to baking it perfectly. You'll learn simple techniques to create a fantastic meal right in your own kitchen. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your new pizza-making skills. The dough is the heart of any great pizza. After activating your yeast, gently combine it with the dry ingredients. Knead the mixture thoroughly until it's smooth and pliable. This process develops the gluten, giving your crust that wonderful chewiness. Let it rise in a warm place until it doubles in size, usually about 1 hour. Hey everyone, if you're finding this pizza-making video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give us a like. And speaking of staying cool in the kitchen, quick recommendation. Stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's perfect for keeping your drink cold while you cook up a storm. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part, assembling your pizza. Carefully transfer your stretched dough to a preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. Spread your favorite sauce evenly, then layer on plenty of cheese and your chosen toppings. Remember to leave a small border for the crust. Bake until golden brown and bubbly, typically for 10 to 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.